Hello from Seattle. We're at the beehive number 2 right now. Here's Neil. He's going to make an inspection. So he'll tell you what he's doing.
This hive didn't have a queen a short time ago, and so I gave them the resources they needed to make their own queen, and I'm going to see if they were successful or not, hopefully. That's the goal of today's inspection.
Okay, that's the inspection. See the bees coming in and out here. And can we see the window from the side there?
Yeah, I can.
Let me show you. There's all the bees. On the comb.
They've built a lot of comb.
They built a lot. Okay. Thanks, Neil. See you next time.